My name is Satvik. I am studying in 3rd standard A3. My school name is St. Philomena's High School. Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu, Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. 5 oceans: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean. 7 continents: Russia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. Mahatma Gandhi, Jana Gana Mana, Vande Mataram. Lion capital: Lotus. Tiger. Mango. Peacock. Pumpkin.
National language.
Hindi.
National book.
Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
Hockey.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National river.
Ganga river.
National calendar.
Saka calendar.
National flag.
3-color flag. 7 colors in rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Taizami, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gantok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehana, West Bengal, Kolkata. Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata. Preamble: We the people of India, having celebrated, resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, state, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them fraternity, as within the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constitutional Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, hereby enact and give to ourselves this constitutional. Major rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Isas, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamarabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna. Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. Thank you.